Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Universal Studio Tour. So how do I look? Okay, fine. You're saying too Hollywood? I say no. Because if other studios can have a lion or a mouse or something, what is wrong with an Oscar-winning Whoopi? Besides, I know all about this place because I shot my first movie here with Steven Spielberg, right here on the Universal Backlot, the biggest and busiest fantasy factory in the world. And did you know that more movies and television shows have been shot on this slot than any other place in the world? And today, you're gonna get to see where it all happens. But before we get too far into the tour, I gotta give you some of the setup for our story, or what we in Hollywood love to call the backstory. Universal got its start in 1912 when visionary Carl Laemmle brought his movie company west and opened Universal Pictures. On March 15, 1915, Mr. Laemmle invited the public to visit his studio, and the Universal Studio Tour was born. You see, Mr. Laemmle believed that movies should make people laugh, or cry, or sit on the edge of their seats. And for the last century, Universal has been doing just that. A century. Lenny, can you believe that? Oh, this is Lenny, my chauffeur, and I'll give you the inside scoop on what's really going on in Hollywood. Are you ready? You are nobody around here unless you have a golf cart. Or tram, which is what you have, it's just as good. But he's on overtime and I don't want to upset him. So I'll be back to check up on you guys a little later. I gotta go get a tanning bed because I'm so pale. In the meantime, I'm gonna turn things back over to your guide. I want you to have a great time, everybody. Lenny, let's go.